So this is an Ocean machine that was left when we bought the house. They said, do you want the washing machine? We can get rid of it. And I said, no, I'll keep it. And it dates from, it's got a little card and it dates from September 1994, which is brilliant, really. It's still going, although when I put it onto heat, the plug went black. It just blew and went black. And so for the moment, I'm not going to use it on heat, but it does seem to rinse and spin. I haven't actually tested it with anything in yet, so I'm going to try that. So we'll see what it's like with suspension, but it seems to be fine otherwise. Here's the dial. Just an old-fashioned timer dial. And this one's a very basic machine, only has two buttons, half load and on and off. And you've got the 900 spin on that. I will go through the instruction book separately, but there's the fascia with all the programming. Very simple machine. It does need a good clean, really. Not had a chance with just moving in here. Brushed motor, and there's the drum. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on a rinse and rinse and a spin so you can see it and we can see what it's like. So this is the softening rinse, which if you look on here, number 6, softening rinses. After that it's normal rinses. This rinse feels a lot higher. Normal rinses are quite deep, but this is exceptionally high. By the way, it's just old dust sheets that I'm washing in here at the moment. So you can see 6 is just one rinse. It doesn't spin, and then it goes on to 7. So I'll just show you that water level. The motor sounds a little bit raspy, but then given it's nearly 30 years old, so it literally fills right up and then drains. It now just does a tumble and then it will go on to the next rinse. I think this might be a bit uneven. So this is the first interim. Now, despite being very uneven, it's actually, you can see that, absolutely no movement. And notice how the pump keeps cutting out. So it's the drain and distribution. Now that is really quite uneven, and it's just not moving. So I'd say this is about 400, maybe 450. Top spin is 9. Really stable, and that is not a balanced spin.